Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can check the dining options in the Busch Gardens application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the guide button at the bottom of the page on the left, and then just scroll down and look for the dining section, and then click on the view button. And as you can see, these are the available restaurant and food places available. So if you're interested in any of them, just click on that. And as you can see, here's a little description on what you can get at Chick-fil-A. It's a restaurant, so you can have different beverages and foods as well. And you can also read about the allergy concerns, and you can see it on the map by clicking on the directions button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.